Hey friends, if you wish to fix File Explorer.exe application error on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to restart File Explorer. And how would you do that? Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait, now right click on Windows Explorer and then select Restart. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is the system restore. So search for recovery in the Windows search bar and open recovery. Click on open system restore. Wait till you get the wizard. Choose a different restore point, select next, choose a good restore point, select next, click on finish and finally on yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.